Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sundari, and if you're coming back, welcome back, you guys. So this is part 2 video to my Figgers 3 wireless F3 phone that I just got. And this is the phone. Really bomb, really bomb. So a few pros and cons that I have already recognized in just a couple of days of having this phone. The first thing is the case, because like there's no other cases for this phone, and I had messaged customer service and he said they don't sell them separately, which wasn't my question. It was do they have other cases? So I'm assuming they don't have any other cases except this one, which this is not a case. Like, this is not considered a case. I feel like this is like a glove. Like, if I drop my phone, it's going to be jacked the fuck up. And I always drop my phone. So, really nervous about that. And that's one of the cons. Like, I wish they had a thicker case to protect the phone. And then when I was setting up my phone, this little manual, or I thought it was a manual because usually when you get a phone it has a manual in it. There's nothing in here that shows you how to set up anything. Like, it basically just shows you what you got, and that's about it. Like, it doesn't show you how to set up the phone. I think it was something in here though that said, was it on here? I'm not sure, but there was something somewhere that said if you needed help setting up your phone, go to figgers.com/help, which I ended up having to do because my phone wasn't acting right when I first set it up. Like, it started syncing everything from my old phone, but then like it just froze and was just like flashing, saying that it was syncing, and it wasn't doing anything. And I started it over, like I turned it off, turned it back on, it was blinking again. And I just eventually took out my SIM card and put it in there again, and then it was fine. So I don't know what that was about. That was another con, the fact that it has like a manufacturer setup booklet, but there's nothing in there. Nothing at all. So that was another con. And then, so on the actual phone, like the default settings is, I guess you could kind of consider it a con because of what we're used to when we get a phone and like the factory settings or whatever. So this phone actually had a watermark on it, like automatically, which, like, who wants a watermark on their pictures? So let me see, I'm going to show you guys an example. So like that, you see how it says Figgers F3 at the bottom? Like, nobody wants that. So basically all you have to do is go into the settings and turn it off. But the fact that it was automatically on there was just like weird. And then also my mobile data was off, which was horrible because like the first day I was actually using it, I needed to use the GPS. So I was using the GPS like I did it when I was at the house, and it was fine because I was on the Wi-Fi. But then when I got there, I ended up being at the wrong address because the person sent me the wrong address. And I was like, shoot, like I can't put in the right address that's saying the Wi-Fi was off and stuff. But I just had to turn my mobile data on. So that was another con, or the default settings, which you can consider. I considered it a con, but I'm not sure if everyone would consider it a con, just because it's different factory settings than your usual, which I feel like it should be the same, because like a phone has its settings, so like why not set it like that? I also almost forgot to say another con is the pictures, like when I'm taking a picture, it looks blurry. So like when I would hit like the focus, and sometimes it focuses, but most of the time it wouldn't. But then when you take the picture, like it clears it or something. Like it's so weird because like when you're looking at the picture, like to take it, it's blurry. But then when you take it, it's clear. So that was another con. Done with the cons, now the pros, which there are a good amount of pros. So I love the color and shine, like that. I just love the color. And then the screen is so clear and nice. And also, so you know how I said the pictures, like taking pictures was a con, but when you take the pictures, they're really clear, which is a pro for me. I also really like the charger. I just think that is so cool and fancy. So that's a pro for me. Also the volume. I don't know if you guys heard the volume when I turned it on. Let me see. Let me just play something on here. See, I'll just pull up one of my videos so you guys could go check it out. This is the volume. Hey, nice. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel. So yeah, the volume, I love the volume. I feel like this is one of my loudest phones that I've had. And also the brightness. So I usually keep mine on a low brightness, but this is as bright as it goes, which I really like. Like if I need to see, then I could turn it all the way up if I need to, which I love that. And also the customer service, like customer service is always like one of my biggest things. So their customer service is the bomb. Like I had to message them one time before I actually bought the phone, because when I was going to buy the phone, a few times it wasn't taking my card. So then I just emailed them and they responded probably within like 30 minutes. And he was saying that they don't take that type of card on their website. And that was 30 minutes and that was super fast. And then another time I messaged them like on their website where they have like the little chat box. And I spoke to Ryan and I was asking him about the cases, if they had different cases, because this is not going to do any justice with protecting this phone for me. It's not. And then I also asked him how to do a screenshot because I didn't know. And he responded super fast. Like, you know, chats, they respond super fast. So that is amazing. Like, I love the customer service. Another pro is how fast my shipment actually came, because I ordered it on a Tuesday and it came on a Saturday. So that was amazing, because a lot of people are acting like shipping is going to take forever because of coronavirus, but not Figgers. If you want your phone and you want it quick, go ahead and order. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, drop them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!